these white boys are identifying with, that is causing them to truly believe that random people deserve to die for whatever despair they feel. Literally almost 90%. That is the actual grand majority of people going to schools, places of business, and places of worship with the intent to murder strangers for no other reason than some kind of sense of vindication is white men. They leave manifestos. My guy, I know you can compare and contrast in the awesome Birds of Prey Harley Quinn lips shirt part that makes you feel some type of way as me. Awesome Birds of Prey Harley Quinn lips shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Awesome Birds of Prey Harley Quinn lips shirt, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. I'm not your babe, your guy, or any other cute diminutive you can come up with. You patronizing twat. White men literally built the entire world around you. Computers, cell phones, medicine. Awesome Birds of Prey Harley Quinn lips shirt. If it adds value to the world, it was conceived, designed, engineered, troubleshot, and optimized by white men. We aren't turning out bad in any sense. And there is zero moral distinction between other product, tea,